Hello friends. Today we have a question of the limit. So we will solve this question now. Okay. Question is the PYQ of the J main, and question is given, that is limit h tending to 0 root 3 sine pi by h pi by 6 plus h minus cos pi by 6 plus h by 3h root 3h root 3 cos h minus sin h. Okay, so we have to find the limit of this question. So let's start how we can approach this question. So first, if you observe the questions very carefully, this is root 3. Okay, so what you can do, let's divide by 1 by divide by 2 and multiply by 2. Okay, and same thing do here also. Okay, so this will become basically limit h tending to 0 root 2 root 3, and it is going to be sine pi by 6 plus h, and let's suppose give this name of root 3 by 2. Okay, and this is going to be minus 1 by 2 cos pi by 6 plus h. Okay, now here in denominator you can do root 3 multiply multiply by 2 h, and it is going to be root 3 by 2 cos h minus 1 by 2 sin h. Okay, now you have to understand that what is the root 3 by 2 and what is 1 by 2. So here you can use the formula like root 3 by 2 is what, sine pi by 6, or you can say that cos 30 also, cos pi by 6, and this is sine pi by 6. Okay, so this is what, so this is the basically cos pi by 6 cos 30. And what about this? This is the sine 30. Okay, so it is going to be sine pi by 6 sine 30. Now let's talk about this. So sine 30 and cos 30. Okay, so it is going to be, let's start in the new line, and it is going to be what, it is going to be limit h tending to 0 2, and you can write it sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. So it is going to be sine a is what, a is the pi by 6 plus h, and minus pi by 6. Okay, so sine a minus b, a minus b. Okay, sine a cos b minus cos a sin b upon, it is going to be, let's write in denominator, and that is going to be 2 root 3 h, and this is going to be what, this is going to be cos pi, you can write it in terms of sine, that is sine pi by 6. Okay, so it is going to be what, it is going to be sine pi by 6 minus h. Okay, sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, so sine 30 is what, root 3 sine 60, so it is going to be, no, I think it is going to pi by 3. Okay, so pi by 3, so sine pi by 3 root 3 by 2 cos h minus cos pi by 3, that is 1 by 2, and sin h. Okay, so this is the formula. Now let's solve it, and we will get what, and it's going to be limit h tending to 0 twice, and here minus this and this plus get cancelled, and you will get what, 2 sin h by 2 root 3 h sine pi by 3 minus h. Okay, so what about this? This is the basically sine 0 by 0, because h tending to 0, so sine 0 by 0, which is going to be 1, 2, and this to get cancelled, 1 by root 3, 1 by sine pi by 3 minus h tending to 0, so it is going to be 0, and pi by 3 sine 60, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, so it is going to be 2 by 3. What is the answer? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer of this question. Okay, so this is so much easy questions, not so much difficult. Only you have to learn how you can just use the formula, basic formula of the trigonometry. We did that, and then we use the limit and got the answer, that is 2 by 3. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Let's we